As you may know, we may join multiple tables in one command. So let's take a look of an example that we can do multiple table join. First of all, let's take a look at this question. Saying that we want to list the name of department and manager's name where the department has a location in Houston. This is the question. First of all, you need to see that the department has a location in Houston, that indicating you need to look into department locations. And now, not only I need the name of the department, so that if we only need the department locations and the department number, this table is good enough. So saying that the question is that list out the department number that are located in Houston. So I would be able to look into this one and then where condition D location equals to Houston, and we will be able to find the information easily. The given question, instead of just asking for the department number, you want to ask for department name. So you basically need to join these two tables together. And on top of that, you also need the manager's name of the department. So manager, we only have social security number in department table. So we need to join this information with the employee table. And therefore, this will end up with a 3-table join operation. Again, in order to know how do we join, what are the attributes that we need to use to join the tables, you see that I try to color out the 2 foreign keys in this relational schema diagram, indicating D number equals to D number, manager social security number equal to SSN over here. You may notice one thing I mentioned in earlier video. D number is the name of the attribute used over here, and department also use D number. They are exactly the same. In order to distinguish which D number that you are talking about, you will need to use department.D number and then department locations.D number to separate the 2 D numbers over here. So let's take a quick look over here. In order to join a Cartesian product, the 3 tables, we are able to do that easily using the from part. Now I need to set up those 2 join conditions. So I have a where condition indicating department location.D number equals to department number, department.department number, and manager social security number equal to SSN, because they use different names in the attribute, so we can simply doing that. By doing this back and from where are able to join the 3 tables together. So the only thing that we need to add is pretty straightforward. We just pull out the attributes we are interested in, because we only need the name, first name and last name of the employee, and we care about department location located in Houston. So by doing so, we will be able to get the informations that we are interested in. I want you guys to play with this one, test it out, and I actually have some homework assignments for you guys to do. So it's going to be the same thing. I want you to look into these 2 questions, write the code, take the screenshot of the output. The first question is that find the name of the male employees who has female dependents. So you need to work on the sex attribute and make sure you are able to retrieve the information, the sex attribute from the employee equal to male, and the sex attribute from the dependents that are equal to female. So that's the first assignment I want you guys to work on. The next assignment is the one that requires you to work on 3-table join, which is finding the name of the employees who works on projects controlled by department number 5. Here I use department number 5 because it is easier. You can directly look into the project and then look for department number 5. If I said controlled by research department, this will change the whole question from 3-table join into 4-table join. And this is something I want you guys to really think about. You need to have some good practice to familiar with how do we join the tables, works together, and then be able to retrieve the informations that we are interested in.